Okay, so '06 Trailblazer SS 3 package matters. Disconnected the battery while I went to O'Reilly's to try and let it reset because it was stuck in reduced engine power mode. I come back. And try and start my truck. Nothing. Battery voltage is fine. Just getting absolutely nothing. If I close the door and I lock it, it's acting like I ain't got nothing on, no key on in the dash, nothing. And my check engine light's stuck on. What the hell's going on here? I lock it, it's locked, the alarm's going. Unlock it. And now I got remote start too. Get my remote start. And I ain't getting nothing. I get a honk. Stick my key in. Oh, there we go. Now it starts. The whole problem I'm having with this truck is I just bought it. It's new to me. Needed an alignment, and it had a little bit of a misfire. I figured it was a fuel pump because I could prime the key a couple times and it'd run smooth. Well, I got the alignment right and went and took it out and jumped on it a little bit. It picked up, took off like a bat out of hell. Then it went into reduced engine power, and now it doesn't want to run right. And I can't scan it because I'm not getting nothing out of the OBD port. Go to the information center here. Service airbag, all that was on there. The truck's only got 99,500 miles. So, I'm not sure what's going on.